It's the lead up to Christmas, and Welsh Wednesdays are here, but I need some help to spread Christmas cheer. I've enlisted the help of an elf named Dai Dolig, that is. Hello, shwmai. He will teach us some Welsh, how to read and to speak, so let's see what Dai Dolig has been up to this week. He wrote his Restr Nadolig, his Christmas list, presents for all with a Welsh Wednesday's twist. Next, Dolig, time to spend. It felt like the shopping would never end. Then he wrapped all his presents, that's anrhegion to you. With papur lapio and ribban, they made quite the view. This Nadolig's hard work, a weary Dai said, as he tucked himself up in gwely, that's bed. Next week Dai is back with more Welsh Christmas cheer. Merry Christmas to all, and a Happy New Year.